Subject EVS 2. Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Elizabeth Sibi and today we are going to learn the chapter. So students, let us study the next concept, that is campaign in the South. Students, let us see the give meaning of campaign. A plan to do a number of things in order to achieve a special aim. Let us see the very first concept in this chapter, that is plan of campaign. Let us see how it is arranged, how it is planned. The coronation ceremony was over, but, but its joy was short-lived. A short while after the coronation on 17 June 1674, Mahasaheb passed away, while all his subjects looked upon. The joy of coronation ceremony was only for few days. Why? Because Mahasahib or Jijabai, or you can call as Rajmata, was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, founder of the Maratha Emperor. She was a daughter of Lakuji Rao. Shivaji Maharaj, as their protector, Shivaji Maharaj himself depended upon the advice and help of Mahasahib. She was the true guide and guru in his life. Jijabai Shahaji Bhosle was born on 12 January 1598. Referred as Rajmata, Jijabai was the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, founder of the Maratha Emperor. Protector, a person who protects somebody, something. He was deeply grieved at the loss of his mother, but he had very little time for sorrow because he had to administer the kingdom which he had established. Mahasahib Jijabai was born on 12 January in the district of Maharashtra. Jijabai was married at an early age to Shahaji Bhosle, son of Maloji Bhosle. She taught Chhatrapati Maharaj and raised him to a great warrior. Jijabai attempted to commit sati which when Shahaji died. Rajmata, she died on 17 June 1674, just after 12 days of Shivaji's coronation. Her Samiti has been built at village Panchghat near Fort Raigad. Give meaning of grief, to feel great sadness, especially about the death of somebody you love. Give meaning of administer, to control or manage something. He decided to attack Karnataka. He was no longer afraid of Adil Shah because the kingdom of Bijapur was practically on its last legs. Who was Adil Shah? Adil Shah was a Muslim and the founder of Bijapur, the kingdom of Bijapur. It is in the Carnatic in India, southern India from 1489 to 1686. Shivaji was no longer afraid of Adil Shah. Whatever he aimed, he captured everything. The real threat to Swaraj was from the north. For the Mughal emperor, Aurangzeb was biding his time to destroy the Maratha kingdom. The Maratha emperor was a power that dominated a large portion of India in the 18th century. The emperor formally exists from 1674 with the coronation of Shivaji as the Chhatrapati and ended in 1818 at the hands of British East Indian Company. The Marathas are credited to a large extent for ending Mughal rule over most of the Indian. Give meaning of binding, the offering of particular prices for something. Let us see the give meaning of threat, a warning that somebody may hurt, kill, or punish you if you do not do what he she wants. Shivaji thought that his campaign would create a powerful base in the south from where he could resist the bows of the Mughals. With this in view, he planned a southern campaign. Shivaji appealed that southern India was protected from outside. His appeal was somewhat successful, and in 1677 Shivaji visited Hyderabad for a month and entered into a treaty with the Golconda. He approached Kutum Shah of Golconda for help, and the Shah readily agreed to give whatever help was needed. There was yet another reason for the campaign. The Kutum Shahi ruled the Golconda in the South India from 1518 AD to 1687 AD. The destiny came to the end in 1687 during the 7th Sultan Azam Kutum Shah when Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb seized Golconda fort and occupied the kingdom. The kingdom extended from the parts of modern-day states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Shivaji's step-brother Vankoji was looking after Shahaji Raje Tanjavur Jagir in the south. Vankoji Bhosle, born on 1632, was the younger half-brother of Shivaji and founder of Maratha rule in Tanjavur. Tanjavur is a city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is an important center of South Indian religion, art and architecture. Now, who is Shahaji Raje? Shahaji Raje was a military leader of 17th century India who served the Ahmadnagas, the Bijapur and the Mughal emperor at the various points in his career. Neither did he display any love for Swaraj. He treated Shivaji with indifference. Shivaji thought that a personal meeting would resolve the dispute and Vaikunji could be persuaded to help in the work of Swaraj. Give meaning, pursuit, to make somebody to do something by giving him her good reasons. Dispute. Now, disagreement or argument between two people, groups, or countries. Visit to Golconda. Chhatrapati Shivaji actually aligned with the Kutum Shah of Golconda, allowing him easy passage to Hyderabad and into the Adil Shahi ruled regions of the area. In fact, historical records speak of a grand reception according to the great king by Kutum Shah. Now we will see a visit to Golconda. Shivaji Maharaj started on his southern campaign. Abdul Hassan Kutum Shah of Golconda had invited him to visit Golconda. Golconda, let us see where is this place situated. The siege of Golconda occurred in January 1687 when Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb lead his forces to besiege the Qutub Shahi at Golconda Fort. The ruler of Golconda was the well Abdul Hassan Qutub Shah. Aurangzeb and the Mughal army had successfully conquered two Muslim kingdoms, Nisim Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. It was only a matter of time that the Mughal army arrived at Golconda Fort. The siege of Golconda lasted 8 months, and on various occasions it had pushed the massive Mughal army to its limits. He therefore decided to visit Golconda first and then proceed with his consent of the south. Golconda was the capital of Kutumsha kingdom. The ruler of Golconda was the well Abdul Hassan Qutub Shah. Aurangzeb and the Mughal army had successfully conquered two Muslim kingdoms, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. At a distance 11 kilometers to the west of Hyderabad, the historic Golconda Fort, which was once known to be a landmark that governed the destiny of South India, it is one of the biggest fortresses in the Deccan Platinum that rests above the land at 400 feet. Concept, an act of conquering something. As Shivaji entered the capital, people lined the streets to have his darshan. Stories of his exploits were the talk of the whole country. What is the meaning of exploit? To use something or to treat somebody unfairly for your own advantage. When Shivaji had entered the capital, many of the people were excited to see Shivaji. In those days, exploits was the talk of the whole country. Darshan means an opportunity to see or an occasion of seeing a holy person. You know, Shivaji had got a lot of blessing in coronation ceremony. Exploit to, to use something or to treat somebody unfairly for your own advantage. People had heard of the death of Afzal Khan at his hands, of the discomfiture of Shaista Khan, and of Shivaji's escape from Agra. Afzal Khan died on 20th November 1659, was a general who served the Adil Shahi of Bijapur in India. He played an important role in the Southern, who had taken control of the former territory. Afzal Khan is the best remembered of his campaign against Shivaji, the founder of the kingdom that later evolved into the Maratha Emperor. The campaign, which resulted in Afzal Khan's death, came to be highly celebrated in the Marathi literature. Give meaning of discomfiture, feeling of unease or embarrassment, awkwardness. Because of this, Shivaji Maharaj received a royal welcome. People showered flower petals on him from the housetops. Many people were lined to see Shivaji for his darshan. Now, many people showered the petals of flower on him from housetops. So students, let us study the next concept, that is concept of Jinji. Jinji Fort is in Tamil Nadu. India is one of the forts in Tamil Nadu, India. It lies in Veluppuram district 160 kilometers from state capital Chennai and is close to the Union Territory of Pondicherry. The site is so fortified that Chhatrapati Shivaji, the Maratha king, ranked it as the most fort in India. Taking leave of Qutub Shah, Shivaji proceeded south and reached the east coast. To the south of Chennai is the fort of Jinji. Shivaji, who never sat free, fought it, fight it at his highest level. He conquered all the forts. It is a big fort, as big and strong as Raigad. Shivaji besieged and captured it. Besieged means to take the soldiers or the army to capture a fort. Now Shivaji is in the aim to capture the Jinji fort, which is in Chennai. Besiege, to surround a place with an army. A strong southern base was thus created for Swaraj. Then he besieged the Vellore fort. Vellore fort is a large 16th century fort situated in the heart of Vellore city in the state of Tamil Nadu, India, built by Vijayanagara kings. The fort was one time the headquarters of the emperor. The siege lasted for several months, but the fort could not be conquered. Siege means the act or process of surrounding and attacking a place in such a way as to surrender the defenders. Shivaji tried his level best to capture the fort, but the fort could not be captured. Let us see what is the reason behind it. Give meaning of conquer, to take control of a country or city and its people by force, especially in a war. Shivaji had to train his guns on the fort from a neighboring hill before he could conquer it. Shivaji had to do lots of hard work to capture a fort. He trained his soldiers how to capture the fort. His southern campaign brought under his rule several forts and territory with annual revenue of 20 lakhs. As we know that Shivaji is attacking now the southern parts. The several forts cost the annual revenue of 20 lakhs. Meeting with Vankoji Raje. Vankoji Raje was a younger half-brother of Shivaji and founder of Maratha rule in Tanjavur. He was a junior branch of Bhosle family which ruled Tanjavur. He was born on 1635. His father was Haji Raje and he belonged to Hindu religion. Appeal, to make a serious request for something you need or want very much. For a few days, Vankoji Raje stayed with Shivaji Maharaj, but one night he returned to Tanjavur without even taking leave of Shivaji Maharaj. Tanjavur is a city in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Its many temples include the 11th century. For few days, Vankojiraje stayed with Shivaji. But one night what happened? Without asking Shivaji Maharaj, he went to Tanjavur. Let's see, why did he go there? From Tanjavur, he actually attacked Shivaji forces. Shivaji's forces took heavy toll of attacking troops. Troop means soldiers. And when Kojiraje was defeated, Students, as you all know, Vankoji Raje is a stepbrother of Shivaji. Defeated means having been beaten in a battle. Shivaji Maharaj was deeply pained at Vaikunji Raje's behavior. He wrote to him and tried to persuade him to change his ways. Shivaji Maharaj, at his early age, he started all the battles, he started all the wars. His many relative cousins have attacked him. He has lost the belief, faith from his relatives. Now here, Shivaji is writing a letter to Vankoji Raje to change his behavior. He conferred on him the territory south of Jinchi and set aside a small part of Karnataka as a gift from Deepa Bai, Vaikunji's wife, who's Vankoji's wife, Deepa Bai. And where is this Jinji fort? Jinji fort is a fort in Tamil Nadu. India is one of the surviving forts in Tamil Nadu, India. It lies in Velappuram district, 160 kilometers from the state capital of Chennai and close to the Union Territory of Pondicherry. He said in his letter to Vankoji Raje, do not put trust in your enemies. Follow the path of warrior. Vankoji is writing a letter and he's saying that do not put trust in your enemies. Follow the path of warrior. Let us see what is the meaning of warrior. Warrior, great courage and lack of fear, especially in war. After the conclusion of the successful campaign of Karnataka, Shivaji returned to Raigad. After capturing a lot of fort in Karnataka, after a huge war, Shivaji finally returned to Raigad, to his place. While he was yet to overcome the strain of his campaign, he had to undertake a naval campaign against the city of Janjira. Siddhi Janjira, the little according considered the first Nawar of Janjira state. Island fortress was under the control of Adilshahi dynasty, where Janjira Fort was lot of Siddhis. Janjira Fort is one of its kind in the whole India. The amazing structure was built by Malik Ambar. At this time, Shivaji Maharaj was 50 years old. He had told continuously for nearly 35 years without any time to rest. From early age, Shivaji had attacked many of the forts, many of his enemies to capture the fort. He didn't like any of his friends were under the slaves of another people. He did a lot of hard work. He lost many of his relatives, many of his cousins during the war. Now, to capture the fort, at this time, Shivaji Maharaj is 50 years old. He didn't take any rest. He continuously worked hard to capture many of the forts. The people's protector is no more. On 3rd April 1680, Shivaji Maharaj died, plunging his people into a sea of sorrow. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort, Ahmednagar. His coronation ceremony took place on 6th June 1674. On 24th September, he died at on 3rd April 1680, age of 50, at Raigad Fort near Raigad. In late March 1680, Shivaji fell ill with fever. The protector of people passed away. In this time, Maharaj achieved so many great things. Students, Shivaji Maharaj has died due to fever in March 1680 at the age of 50. He achieved so many things in his life at early of his age. He vanquished very powerful enemies and founded Hindavi Swaraj. There was none in the whole of India who could match his achievements. He was a great national figure. Students, at the early of his age, Shivaji achieved a lot of things in his life. He didn't like slavery. All the people were very sad. In India, no one could match his achievements. He was a great national figure. Give meaning of vanquish, to defeat somebody completely in a concert, war, etc. So students, let us see the fill in the blanks of the chapter. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First, Dash was the capital of kingdom of Kutum Shah. What is the answer? Yes, Golconda. Second, the fort of Jinji is the south of Madras. Shivaji Maharaj died in the year dash AD 1680. Question number 2. Match the following. Group A. Abdul Hassan, Vankoji, Shivaji. Group B. Looked after the Tanjavur Jagir. Concept of Jinji Fort. Kutum Shah of Golconda. So students, let us see the answer. Abdul Hassan, Kutum Shah of Golconda. Vankoji looked after Tanjavur Jagir. Shivaji, concept of Jinji Fort. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Why did Shivaji Maharaj want to meet Vankoji Raje? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj wanted to meet Vankoji Raje to resolve the dispute regarding the ancestral Jagir in the south and to pursue him to help in the work of Swaraj. Second, what appeal was made by Shivaji Maharaj to Vankoji Raje? Answer. Shivaji Maharaj made an appeal to Vankoji Raje to help in the work of Swaraj. Third, what did Shivaji Maharaj state in his letter to Vankoji Raje? Answer. In his letter to Vankoji Raje, Shivaji Maharaj had stated, do not put your trust in your enemies. Follow the path of valor. Question number 5. Give reasons. First, Shivaji Maharaj planned a campaign of the south. Answer. Shivaji Maharaj planned a campaign of the south because there was a threat of Aurangzeb attacking the Maratha kingdom. He wanted to create a strong base in the south and thereby resist the Mughal attack. He wanted to meet his step-brother Vankoji Raje and pursued him to help in the work of Swaraj. So students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you. मैम एक हो गया मैम का करेक्शन